welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a cook and clean with me for you guys. I wanted to share one of my favorite easy crock pot soup recipes with you guys, and it's a creamy chicken noodle soup. It's really easy for cold or rainy days. It works. It's perfect. So the first thing I do is I chop up about half an onion. I usually use red onion, but you could use yellow too. And then I'm gonna chop up 3 celery sticks as well.
Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be bad sometimes. Don't know.
After that, I actually end up cutting up 4 carrots, and I love to use the colorful ones, so yellow, orange, purple. Those are always really yummy in this soup, and you want these carrots cut up in really small pieces. And all of this you're just throwing into the crock pot. After that, I probably add way too much garlic, but there's never enough garlic for me. I love garlic. And then 2 whole chicken breasts. I'm then going to take some fresh rosemary from my rosemary plant and rip this up and put it in there, and then add some parsley and oregano. I would have added turmeric too, but I'm currently out. And then a ton of salt and pepper and nutritional yeast. I love adding nutritional yeast to anything creamy. It's a great source of vitamins and it tastes really good. I'm then going to add about 2 cups of chicken stock and then about a cup of water. And then you're just going to put this on low for 4 hours and forget about it. After that, I like to do my main cleaning right after I do the crock pot. That way, after we're done eating, I only have to clean up a little bit. So I'm first starting by cleaning up all of the vegetables and the mess I made to get the crock pot going. I'm then gonna just load up any dishes I used, clean the sink and wipe down the counters and the stove, just clean up the kitchen overall.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the muddle, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold.
After that, I'm just gonna light my lavender candle and then wipe down our kitchen table, and then take out our full trash can and sweep.
Here when all the monsters come. I've got you. I'll
And then about 3.5 hours later, you're gonna pull the chicken out and you're gonna shred it all up and then throw it back into your soup.
Way, way back, as far as way back goes, still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you.
And then you're going to want to make a slurry. This just gives the soup some thickness. So you're just going to need a little cornstarch and a little water. Whisk that up and then throw it into the soup. And then what makes it creamy, I just add some heavy whipping cream, probably about half a cup to a cup. And then I'm going to throw in about 2 cups of egg noodles. You're gonna stir this all up and let this sit for remaining 30 to 45 minutes, just until the noodles are done and the soup thickens a bit. And then once it's done, this is what it looks like. This soup was amazing. Me and my husband really loved it, and it made a ton of soup for everyone.
Lost my keys, but don't give up.
After we eat, I just start cleaning up the kitchen, and I have 2 Tupperware containers here that I'm putting the soup up in for lunch for me and my husband the next day.
Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all.
And then I'm just gonna start tidying up. Since I did the majority of my cleaning right after I was done cooking, the main thing I only have to do is the dishes, which is why I love Crockpot meals. So that's what I'm gonna start in on here, and I'm actually gonna start the dishwasher tonight. That way it'll run overnight, and then first thing in the morning I can unload it and it'll be empty for the day.
You make me feel so unreal. You can live the dream. You can be so unreal. Living in high speed. Love is so insane like that. Want your lips on me, ooh. Hear you say I can sleep where you sleep. From the cab up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal. You make me feel so unreal. You can live the dream. You can be so unreal. Leave the clothes on the floor.
Once that's done, I'm just gonna wipe down the sink and the counters again, just in case we spill any food.
Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want.
And then I'm just gonna do a quick sweep since my daughter dug in some dirt from outside. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a quick and easy dinner idea for busy days for you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure and give it a thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye, guys.
You can live the dream. You can be so unreal.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched